Using radian measure, angles can also be measured in radians. To define a radian, consider a circle with radius r centered at the origin as shown. So this is 1 radian. So r is the radius. 1 radian is the measure of an angle in standard position whose terminal side intercepts an arc of length r. If this is r and this is arc, this is going to be 1 radian. Because the circumference of circle is 2 pi r always, there are 2 r radian in full circle. So degree measure and radian measure are related by the equation 360. 360 is same as 2 pi. 360 divided by 2 equals 2 pi divided by 2, which ultimately is 180 or pi. Pi is the same as 180. Pi is the same as 180. Full circle measure is always 360 because this full circle is made of 4 quadrants. Quadrant 1, which is 90 degree. Quadrant 2, which is going to be total 180. Quadrant 3 makes it 270 and quadrant 4 makes it 360. Converting between degrees and radians. Degree to radians, multiply degree measure by 180. So multiply degree measure by pi radian and divide it by 180 to turn the degree into radian. To turn radian into degree, radians into degree, you're going to multiply 180 divided by 180 degree divided by pi radians. So for example, for 120, you're going to convert the degree into radian and radian into degree. To convert 120 degree into radian, you're going to get here multiply pi radians divided by 180 and you're going to reduce or solve. You're going to get here is 12 divided by 18 is going to be, when you reduce it by 6, is going to be 2 pi over 3 radians. 12 divided by 6 is 2, 12 divided by 6 is 3, so 2 over 3 pi. Now to change the pi over 12 into degree, so you have pi over 12, you multiply it by 180, divide by radian pi, pi and pi cancel, and then you're going to divide 180 by 12. So you're going to get here is 180 degree divided by 12, and that's going to give you negative 15 degree. For number 9, you're going to change that into radians. So 135 times pi over 180 radians. You're going to change this 135 as 45 times 3 pi, and the bottom is 45 times 4 pi, because 45 times 3 is 135, 45 times 4 is 180. You're going to cancel the 45 and 45, and you're going to get on the bottom, so there is no pi on the bottom, sorry. You're going to get here is 3 over 4 pi. For negative 40, you're going to multiply it as, change it to radian. pi over 180. 0 and 0 cancel. Divide with 2, you got 2 over 9. So negative 2 over 9 pi. For number 11, 5 pi over 4, you're going to multiply it by 180 over pi. Pi and pi cancel. 180 divided by 4, you're going to get 45. 5 times 45, 5 times 45 degrees. 5 times 45 is going to be 225 degree. Okay, 12 is a special kind. It's not a degree, it's not a radian. So to make it into a degree or radiant, you're going to multiply. We're going to make it into degree. We're going to multiply it by 180 and divided by pi. And when you solve this 180 divided by pi, you're going to get here is negative 359.8 degree. So this chart degree and radian measure of special angles. The diagram shows equivalent degree and radian measure for special angles from 0 to 360. 0 radians to 2 pi radian. 0 degree, 90 degree. 90 degree is pi over 2. Pi is 180. Pi is 180. And this one is 3 pi over 2, which is 270 degree. So these are equivalent to the radian. So 30 degree is equivalent to pi over 6 in radian. 45 degree into radian is pi over 4. 60 degree in radian is pi over 3. 90 is pi over 2. 2 pi is 360 and pi is 180. So this circle helps you see all the degrees turned into, all the main degree angles turned into radians.